guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, yeah, I don't even know what to say. I know you're like, girl, you're late. Why are you even putting up this video? Well, I'll tell you why I'm putting up this video. It's not my fault that I'm late, guys. I literally got my Boxycharm today, July 1st. I have never gotten my Boxycharm so late. I was to the point where, like, I didn't even think I was gonna get it. Did get my premium box. I recorded the video. I didn't like how it came out. I was like, screw this. I'm not posting this. The box was horrible. I hated this month's box. I mean, it was a video I should have put up, but I just really didn't like it. And if I'm not satisfied with the video, I'm not gonna put it up. That's just me. That's just the kind of person that I am. But we are going to be unboxing the base box, but I am going to be doing a giveaway at the end of this video, so definitely stay tuned for that. It's just going to be a small giveaway. Yeah, you guys know I love to do giveaways, so stay tuned until the end to see how to enter. It came like this, and you guys, the first thing that I see on the top is something that I didn't want, because when I saw the spoilers, I was like, I'm not gonna use this. I don't like the layout of this. I'm just not gonna use it. Here's my card right here. This month's theme is Oasis. I have variation 77. I have variation 77. That's a lot of variations. Alright, let's just take this out because this is bothering me. So the first item I have in this box is the Philip Orange Eyeshadow Palette from Touch and Soul. This one is an orange palette. I don't really like oranges. Not really my favorite. This retails for $32, and honestly, from the looks of it, this does not look like it's worth $32, so I'm just going to go ahead and say that. Has a mirror and the shades in here. I find it weird that this didn't come in like cardboard packaging to protect it. It's gonna be going in the giveaway. The next thing we have in here is also from Touch and Soul. This is the what is this? The Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Also retails for $32. Okay, so this is something I can put in my skincare fridge, and it's something that I can use before my makeup. So that's pretty cool. This is pretty. I mean, doesn't really smell like much. It's just like this white lotion. That's what it seems like. But I really do like this packaging. It's really unique. So that's pretty cute. Next thing that we have is the Diamond Glow Powder. Now, I did pick this for my choice for this month's box, and it's so much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Like, look how tiny this is. This retails for $27. Wow. And I got the shade Illuminati. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh my gosh, it's like really tiny, guys. So basically you can use this as a highlighter, and it's designed for all skin tones and types. Sign me up. We love an inclusive brand. Oh, and it has like a built-in sifter. Oh, this is stunning. This is so stunning. Look at that. I will be getting some use out of this. I am not really a loose highlighter kind of person, but this I am really excited about because the color is really pretty and it's small, so I feel like I would actually like use it up. And next we have the Beauty by Pop Sugar. This is the Sweet Stick Glossy Lip Color. This retails for $20. They have the texture and feel of a balm, but the look and staying power of a rich glossy lip. Ooh, we love that. And this is in the shade Fling. Oh, it literally looks like a lip crayon. That's kind of cute. I really like that. Go ahead and swatch this. Ooh, whoa, whoa, this is beautiful. You guys. Okay, I have so many swatches on my itself right now. It's crazy. But that's actually really beautiful. Oh, and it twists up, so you get a lot of product in here, and it keeps going, but I'm afraid I'm gonna break it. But that's pretty cool, and this is the shade right here. Lastly, we have the Beauty Vault Lip Liner Trio. I just was saying I needed more lip liners. This retails for $18. It says our lip liners are buttery smooth, which glides on and blends easily. They are richly pigmented and long wearing. Okay. Love lip liners, so I'm definitely going to get some use out of these. Oh my god. Look at these shades. Yo, these are beautiful. Are these like, can you sharpen these? Do they twist? I wonder if you can sharpen these. So we're gonna swatch this one. That kind of looks like a brown kind of shade. It is really creamy. So this one is Cozy Kira. And then the next one is Natty Nat. And this one is a red, and that one's super pigmented and creamy. We have Bow Babe, and this one is also really pretty. I love all three of these. Okay, I feel like you get so much for your money. You get 3 lip liners for $18. I really like this product. Well, let's get the retail value of this box. We have the Fill Up Orange palette, 32 plus 32 for the Skin Balm, plus 27 for the Diamond Glow powder, plus 20 for the Pop Sugar lip crayon, and plus 18 for the lip liners. And that is $129. I only paid $25 for this box. That's really good. 4 items out of 5 I will be keeping and using. I feel like I can use. So I think it's safe to say this was a really good box. It was very versatile. Excited to try these products out. Like I said, I didn't like the premium box, so we're gonna be doing a giveaway with some of those items. I'm gonna be putting this palette in the giveaway, as well as this Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit. This is a shower gel. And this $1 million brow brush. It's a duo brush, so there's 2 sides to it. As well as the Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream. So all 4 of these items will be in a little giveaway. So to enter into the giveaway, all you have to do is just be subscribed to my channel. Yeah. That's literally it. Just be subscribed to my channel, and I'll pick someone a week from today. Yeah. So this is just a little Boxycharm giveaway. I'm gonna do more of these where I collect items from Boxycharms that I don't think I'll get use out of, which I feel like it will be better used to one of you guys out there. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's weird. I only post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and look at me, I'm posting a video on Thursday as well. Don't worry, I will have a video up tomorrow, which will be Friday, July 3rd. And by the way, guys, Hamilton is going to be on Disney Plus on Fridays. So excited for it. So if you don't have Disney Plus, definitely go get it. I'm gonna have like a whole watch party and everything. But yeah, I am exhausted. It's 10:11. I need to go shower, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.